This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about freezer packs, specifically these Cater Ice blue plastic ice pack sheets. And this one is a 7 3/4 inch by 3.5 inch sheet. And all of these are reusable and leak proof. They also come in a 19 by 3 or 19 by 15 3/4 size. And one of the fantastic things about these sheets is you can see that there's space in between each of those little gel cubes. So you can actually cut and trim these so that you can make them the sizes you need and suit your needs on any occasion. There's no need to deal with the mess of melting ice, especially for caterers taking foods off-site to jobs. The design means that they are flexible even when frozen, which is another great thing. So you can actually use these when frozen to wrap around sensitive ice items. Think like things like pints of ice cream. And they can be hand washed between uses. So after jobs, you can wash them, pop them back in the freezer, and reuse them again and again. So these are perfect for restaurants and caterers to keep items from getting soggy during delivery. They're also great for meal and food delivery services, or for home use, just to pack things like lunches to take to school or the office, or for use in your cooler at the next family picnic.